Hi. So today, we're gonna be doing what's in my mouth
challenge.
Yep. And Adeline is first.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. You need to get it. Don't squeeze it. I mean, wait.
There.
Don't play
Like that.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
So show the camera what you're gonna put in my mouth.
Okay, wait, just one. What's adding?
Am I covering the camera again?
I would entertain them, but just don't take your blindfold.
Okay, I'm gonna do a dance. Okay, now I need to sit back down.
Okay, I got some more stuff. Okay, you're good. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so at the beginning we have this. It is edible, Addie, okay? Say,
A baby bottle pop.
What?
It's a baby bottle pop.
Yep. Bingo. Okay. And this is kind of edible. Just don't eat it all the way. Say, No, like, put your head up.
I already know what it is.
What?
I can smell it.
What
It's
is
toothpaste.
Soap? Yeah. Okay, now this one don't smell, okay?
Okay.
So plug your nose, but not your mouth. Say Bigger. Addie, I'm gonna stick my finger.
It's meat.
Yeah. What type of meat?
I don't know, but it's meat.
I'm eating some.
By the way, I'm vegetarian. And that's also the grossest meat I've ever had.
It's called salami. Put your thingy back on.
I'm looking.
And now we have this. Stop it. Can you see whenever you go like that?
When I go like what?
Like that? No?
No.
Say, And don't spit this one out. I'll get a cup so if you spit it out. Hold this cup under you. It's right here.
I know what it is.
Huh? You like it?
Mm-mm.
You need water?
Mm-hmm. It's the raw sugar.
Yep. Abby, don't take off your blindfold.
Oh, that was so gross. Okay, I'm blocking the side of my face. That was so gross.
Okay, go to the bathroom and rinse.
Okay. Can I take off my blindfold?
Yeah, once you turn. Yeah. I think my knife upstairs is wet. Okay, don't come in until it looks like it, okay? Ready? See? She didn't like that. I like smelling it. Yeah. Be right back. It is.
Wait, can the camera see me?
Yeah, I can. Okay.
I see you with my one eye.
Oh, why am I getting the toothpaste? Okay, now, time for this. It's sort of edible, okay?
What do you mean sort of? I don't like sort of edible things.
You can just lick it, okay? Right here.
Okay.
Like.
Chapstick?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you done?
No.
How many more?
1. No, 2.
Okay.
Put it back on, please. Thank you.
First things first, I'm a Rolodex.
Do you want the bad one or the good one first?
Oh, no bad one.
Okay. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys this. There's chapstick. Mushy Monster chapstick.
You play Mushy Monsters?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Oh, so close to saying it. Oh, I just spilled some. Don't look. You have to drink it, okay?
What?
Drink.
No.
Yes.
The
smell then.
soy sauce?
Yeah.
Hey, is that the thing that I chose?
Yeah.
You stole it. I was going to use it on you.
You get to it. I hate soy sauce. No, there's one last thing.
Okay.
Close your eyes. I don't trust you.
Wait, let me smell it. Smells like soy sauce.
Nope. It's because my hands are soy saucy. What is it?
I don't know.
Keep it in your mouth until you figure it out.
Oh, an eraser.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Now her turn.
Yeah, you get to go get stuff from downstairs.
Wait, no, I have the bag.
I stole your stuff.
You did all of it?
Yeah.
No.
Except the red one. Okay. We're gonna go downstairs and we'll take the camera with us. Okay.